This is the S&P 500 ETF SPY one-day reading for January 12th, 2024. It's currently October 31st, 2023, 1:56 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading is currently $417.71. That's USD. And the shuffle video we're about to play for you was created October 25th, 2023 at 8:44 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here in the corner. So the overall theme and behavior for SPY throughout the day of the 12th, it's pretty mixed, guys. So when we look at the 1 month, we're on track for the Queen of Swords, which is volatility and sharp drop that stands out. There's also the unicursal hexagram there, which appears near the high that we have on the 1 year, right? So we want to be mindful of that. There's probably a pretty sharp drop either on the 12th or like just after the 12th. Like maybe like on the, like on the 16th or something. We want to be very mindful of that. And there's also the Ace of Wands, which is an indication of opportunity to open up a short or close a long. But if you cross that Queen of Swords with the Daily's theme card, which is a gain card, that's a pretty notable move to the upside after establishing support. So it's going to be pretty mixed. A sharp drop in a period of volatility, a big move higher after establishing support. Those two things alone make it for a pretty mixed kind of day. And then behavior around the high, we have a notable drop off of the high. It'll stand out on a one-day chart at least. Either that or we have like bearish price swings there around the high. Behavior around the low, we have a prominent move higher followed by a full retracement of that move back down. So we likely see the low twice. I mean, there's no real trade advisement here, although I think I'd say I probably want to be trading here near the low. But there is an important range on a multi-day scale that's highlighted here. I think it's possible that we're at some point up at the highs again for the month and the year. It's possible because we have cross-reading congruencies for that the following day. I don't think these lows here are lower than the lows of the first. But in any case, before we go any further, guys, I want to make sure everybody's aware the whole purpose of the channel is to follow through on the rule of karma, which is the threefold agreement, unwritten agreement between the universe and anybody profiting from the information on this channel. We ask that you donate 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities, effectively transmuting the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill, which is the whole purpose of the channel. That's the whole reason why I'm doing this. So please make sure to follow through. The universe will have zero patience for people who do not follow through on this. 5% of the profit should also be donated back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise, or you can go on the YouTube channel and donate as a super backer or whatever it's called there. This leaves you at 90% of the money. Make sure to spend that money out of love. As long as you follow those rules, my friends, you're an angel investor of the channel. You've fulfilled the purpose that the universe has intended for this channel, and the universe is going to fulfill its end of the agreement, which is to send it back tenfold to you through this channel, my friends. Blessings. I'll see you guys all on the next one. All right, so we probably open higher here. It's a little hard to determine because of the mixed behavior going on, but I think we probably open higher here at a key price level, and there's kind of flat behavior around that resistance level there in the pre-market. We then rally around the open along a diagonal trend line. We break through horizontal resistance, meet a second resistance, and then pull back to somewhere between those two price levels. That high right around the open there, that's probably the high for the day. We might see it again, but I think that's probably the high for the day there, or at least temporarily. It'll be an important price level on a multi-day scale, probably on a 1 month scale at least. There'll be like a fake out, like a temporary breakout there somewhere between the open and let's say 11 o'clock. That breakout will then turn into a decline, a notable decline between 11 and 12 to revisit a support that we recently met once before. That decline then it continues into roughly 12 to 1 o'clock hour, but ends with a fast sudden move higher in that 12 to 1 o'clock hour. That fast sudden move higher continues into the 1 to 2 o'clock hour. We have another high for the day somewhere between the 12 and 2 o'clock hour there, and in the midst of that move higher, we want to open up a short position or close long positions. I'd say open up short position in anticipation of a notable decline between 2 and 3 to a trough there around like just before 3 o'clock. That trough around 3 o'clock is followed by a sideways fluctuating rally into a key resistance around the close. So we end near a peak, and that's a cross-reading congruency there, but I think the following day we sell off pretty notably here. I would be utilizing this opportunities near highs here to open up short position in anticipation of a multi-day swing trade to the downside. And that's the S&P 500 ETF SPY for January 12th, 2024, my friends. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And my friends, if you didn't know, you could have watched this video as early as November 1st, 2023. If you had early access through our website, it's a great way to support the channel. You do so here on the Our Services tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, SO Meta Posts. Right here at the top, click here to subscribe. $29 a month, $249 for the year. Gets you access to all of the public videos that come out on YouTube. Public. So that doesn't include the full paid versions of our monthly, like Tesla or monthly Meta. Those monthly videos that come out every month, the paid version, those are not included in the early access. In order to get those paid versions, you want to go to Our Services, SO Meta Posts, and scroll down to monthly subscription. Click here. You can subscribe to the paid version on a monthly basis of any of these crypto or tickers, or you could get all of them for the $250 a month. That also includes Amazon, Google, and soon to be Nvidia, which you can't subscribe to individually. You can only get the paid version through here. Much appreciation to all those that go out and do that. You guys are the core foundation of financial support for the channel, and you provide us with peace of mind, not just with money, but peace of mind, my friends. So blessings to you guys. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.